Hello, my name is Alejandro and I'm going to speak about means of transport in the future. In my opinion, in the future, means of transport will be very different. Cars, airplane or bicycle we use now will disappear in a few years. I think cars, for example, will learn to make more things. Some cars could analyze human behavior in order to deduce if you are tired or drunk. I guess too that car will not work with fuel. Cars could work with a gas like hydrogen. In addition, airplanes should change because they expel a lot of carbon dioxide to atmosphere. Plane will be made of carbon fiber and plastic, so it will be lighter. As well as ships will change. I can imagine a lot about that works with solar energy, wind energy, or taking advantage of seaways. Moreover, I bet that people will not work anymore. Everybody will move in a seaway with electrical engine. On the other hand, I suppose we will travel to outer space frequently. Even men could stay living in a space station. In conclusion, the world and the means of transport will be pretty different in the next years.